Hey everyone, welcome to another cooking video. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and click the subscribe button and click the notification button so that when we do, you'll know about it.
Hey everybody.
Hi everyone.
We are excited to be here today. We are doing a recipe out of a really awesome book that Dr. Gundry actually interviewed this woman on his podcast. And the recipe that we picked to do today is no chicken strips. If you have little kids at home, you know probably one of the #1 things they're always asking for are chicken strips, chicken nuggets, chicken whatever. So we decided to try this out. It looks like an amazing recipe and we're pretty excited about it.
And with any luck, we'll have one of our neighbor kids who we know loves chicken.
Loves chicken.
And we're gonna see if we can fool him. So we'll see.
We'll see what happens. So first thing that we're gonna start out with, instead of having chicken in it, cauliflower. We want 1.5 cups of cauliflower. We want it kind of roughly chopped up, and then we're gonna put it in the food processor. So I'm gonna start to kind of get the 1.5 cups. Also, in addition, we need to get 1.5 cups
of white, what do you call this? Sweet potato. Yeah, so that's why it's called no chicken strips.
Because this, instead of the chicken, it's the 2 vegetables.
And I don't know if Annabelle Lee did this on purpose or not, but it's like saying no chicken strips. Right? Let me not cut your hand off there.
Well, hey, that sounds like a plan.
There we go. To not cut your hand off.
Yeah, I would like that for work, you know?
Ooh, look how white that is.
That's super cool.
So how much do I need of this?
You also need 1.5 cups.
All right.
Both ingredients. You know what I think is awesome? When you steal my knife.
Hey, this is my knife. Too many cooks in the kitchen. One of the things that was kind of cool about this recipe was that we didn't need to pre-cook the potatoes, or the cauliflower for that matter.
Definitely.
So a big time saver there.
Huge.
Oh, I like to be perfect. Look at that. I'm just saying, you know. If you can't see through it, it's not arrogance, it's sheer surprise. Like, holy cow, I did something right. So both of them at the same time?
Yep, you got it.
So that's the right consistency?
Yep, that's perfect. Okay, so now that we've got these all chopped together, we're gonna go ahead and add all the rest of the ingredients and we're gonna blend them together.
Running into each other here. Okay.
I'll let you go ahead and add that.
Sprinkle, sprinkle, little coconut flour. All right, now I can blend it.
You got it.
We don't have a really great food processor, so this may not be blended quite as well as it could be, but it is quite sticky.
Which is what you
You
want.
can see that it's pretty sticky.
Okay, so what we're gonna do now, we're just gonna kind of press it together with a spatula and go ahead and let it rest for a couple minutes before we shape it to cook it in the pan.
Okay, we better get a pan ready.
Okay, so we've let this rest for about 5 minutes. It does, in the recipe, she says to go ahead and just get your hands a little bit wet. I'm gonna kind of scoop up a little bit. We have talked about it so we can fool our neighbor children. We're going to actually go ahead and shape them in more of a nugget type shape.
It's gonna be interesting because they do smell like cauliflower.
We're buttering the kids up by letting them swim in the backyard so they'll be nice and hungry.
Swimming right now.
You can hear them, hear all the excitement in our backyard, you'll know.
Okay, let's cook these guys up.
We're in business. Okay, we're supposed to cook these for a few minutes on each side. Oh, look, you can already see those crisping up on the bottom. That's going pretty quick.
Oh yeah, look at that. All right, there's our first batch of no chicken nuggets.
Yep.
We're gonna have our friend come in a minute and he's gonna test them with his kids and we're gonna see how that goes. Should we split one and try it real quick?
Yeah, let's do it.
Give you half. Oh wow, look at that.
That really is pretty
It's almost like
interesting.
a bread. It's actually pretty good.
I think it's really good.
Yeah, it doesn't have a strong flavor, which is nice, right? You can smell the cauliflower, but you can't taste it.
No, I can't taste it either.
I mean, there's probably a hint of it in there, but...
Very good though.
So you could dip this in like some sort of a dipping sauce and I think fool
Absolutely
somebody.
good.
So we'll see if they like it dipped in anything. All right, I hear them coming in. Let's get ready. All right, so here's our taste testers.
Yay!
These are our
neighbor
friends
kids
and they're our neighbors. So we have, and then we have Blake here, who's my next door neighbor. And you're gonna taste test it for us too, right?
All right, absolutely.
So I'm actually gonna...
His kids are
Oh,
Ava
yeah.
and Carson.
Ava and Carson.
And then across the way we have Jody, our friend, and Jace is their oldest, and Bailey is next. And you guys are gonna have been out swimming, right? You
Hi,
worked up an
Ava.
appetite. You're hungry.
I'm Ava.
Okay. Okay,
Go
Blake's
ahead.
gonna yeah, go ahead and taste.
Do you want me to do it without the dip or with?
whatever
So
you
can
want?
try it plain.
Okay, plain?
Dip.
That's where I go.
Good.
Ava's pretty open to a lot of things.
And
You know, she's always been our eater.
Okay, you can
She'll eat mac and cheese,
anything.
lots of healthy foods, bananas, apples. She's very open. Carson is a little bit stubborn.
He don't eats a chicken nugget.
He really just likes to eat chicken nuggets,
Yes.
applesauce,
Pirate's booty.
And chicken nuggets.
and chicken nuggets.
And
So
What
Chicken
he's
nuggets
saying
again.
is if this kid likes these, then they're a real winner. By the way, I gotta give a shout out. We have a lot of people in Canada that watch our
Okay.
show, so why would that be
Nice.
important? He works for the Blue Jays.
Shout out the Blue Jays. Shout out the Blue Jays.
Shout out the
oh
Blue Jays.
yeah.
there you go.
There you go.
Okay, everyone grab a nugget. We do have out ketchup and barbecue sauce.
Yeah, it's hot. I'm gonna try plain.
Is it too hot?
I'm just gonna try plain. Me too. Ketchup. Good.
You love
Really
it?
good, huh?
Yeah. It's good.
Do
Be
you like
honest. Be 100% honest. If you don't like them, then tell us. 'cause
I love it. Me too. Me
people
too.
will.
Really good. Good.
Carson?
If
Carson, master of the chicken nugget, what do you say?
Good.
Thumbs up?
Okay, is it super good or just like, and be honest, it's okay.
What are the best chicken nuggets?
Like in
you've
the
ever
middle.
had?
In the middle, so it's like, I think he's being
I like that he's
nice.
doing it. Good.
I gotta eat one of these puppies.
Help yourself, eat some more. if
Those
you
are really
want.
good.
I'm out of stuff. Me too.
All right.
Now, what if I told you these weren't made out of chicken?
Oh no! That's I ate a new food, Daddy.
I ate a new food. Pretty decent.
Well,
Do you know what you ate?
No. Bread. Wait.
one of the main ingredients is cauliflower.
What? What?
Do you know what cauliflower is, Carson? Guys, do you know what cauliflower is? Show them, Dave.
That is called.
Hold it up for the camera.
Carson's like, ew. This is
Cauliflower for the win.
Say, I love cauliflower.
I don't like cauliflower.
Really good recipe.
Absolutely.
Kid recommended, kid approved.
Very good.
As long as they don't know it's cauliflower.
That's right.
Thank you, everyone.